Nathan here, and we're playing Super Plot. We are going. What? We are trying to survive in a Super Plot world. Yes. If you want to see another Minecraft episode of this Super Plot, like and subscribe to us. Let's go. Let's find some. Let's get some food. Let's get some food. Get food. Get chicken. Get sheep. Get sheep for beds. Beds. We need beds. For reals. Beds. Look underground, you. Mine underground. Mine underground. I have a specialty. Just mine underground. You're gonna die. Mine underground. You're gonna find something cool. Did you? Yes, I added stone to this world. So we can thrive and win this. I'm getting food. So we can have furnaces and stuff. So we have furnace, thingy-majiggy, thingy-mabob. I have 2 wools. I have wool. 2. Kill some sheep to get wool. I found a sheep. It's 1. I found 1. There's another one. Behind you, behind you. Behind you, there's a... Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. I'm gonna kill this slime. You know what? I'm gonna use my... You have a bed. I have a bed too, bro. Oh no, di na ako makatakbo. I can't run anymore. Mag-mine ka na ng ano, mag-mine ka na ng ano. Sige. Uy! Mamamatay ka! Sabi sa'yo, mamamatay ka eh. Buti hindi ko ito ginawang hardcore. Kung hardcore to, mamamatay tayo. Meron ka bang wood? Ayun, wood. Oo, unti na lang yung wood natin. Ano yan? Mangrove. Isi-save natin. Wait. Isi-save natin lahat. Isi-save natin lahat ng kailangan natin. Food. Oh, save mo yan. Hindi. Tapon mo na yan. Oh. Tapos pagkain, kailangan natin. Kuha ka ng ano? Kuha ka ng leather para makakuha ka ng ano? Tawag dito? Alam mo na? Yung wool. Hindi. Yung... I-save natin yan. Isi-save natin yan. Ah! Oh my god. I hate this number. 67. 67. Kuha ka na ng ano, kuha ka ulit ng cobblestone para makagawa tayo ng ng stone. Ay, ng ano, stone sword. Kuha ako ng couch. Kuha ako ng leather para makakuha ako ng armor. Gagawan kita ng armor. Wala, hindi tayo makakakuha dito ng lava. Magti-trade lang tayo sa Wandering Traders. Kailangan ko talaga ng ano. Ayun nga, infinite cobblestone. Uy, ba't mo ginamit tong mangrove? Sayang. Sinayang mo yung isang mangrove, pwede ka lang naman kumuha ng isang ano. Yun, hindi na 6-7. 6-8. Oh, lalagyan ko dito ng torch. Alam ko na. Ito yung underground base natin. Ito underground base natin. Underground base natin. Mag-mine ka lang. Wait lang. Papatay lang ako ng ano. Maglalakbay lang ako. Maglalakbay lang ako. Kukuha ko ng ano. Kukuha ko ng leather. Maglalakbay lang ako. Malayo na naman to, di ba? Malayo na to. Baby chicken! Wait lang. Malayo ako. Kumukuha ko ng ano eh. Kunin mo na lahat ng stock. Kukuha lang ako ng leather. Blast furnace? I-move na natin lahat. I-move na natin lahat. Tanggalin na natin lahat dito. Tanggalin na natin lahat. Gagawa na tayo ng bahay sa ilalim. Yan, tanggal ko na lahat ha. Ito na. Parating na. Kala ko naman, sinira mo na lahat ng cobblestone dito sa ilalim. Matulog na tayo, guys. Hira ka ng cobblestone. Matulog ka. Mag-mine ka na, mag-mine. Tingin ako ng 2 cobblestone. 9. Move ko lang lahat ng ano, ng gamit. Ang goal natin ngayon, makagawa ng bahay sa ilalim ng ano underground base. Goal natin makagawa ng underground base. Goal natin makagawa ng underground base. Gawa ka ng underground base. Natulog. Kung ano, sino ka? Sino ka, Jet Tundra? Sino ka? Sino ka? Who the hell are you? Ginawa ko tong friends only ah. Hindi ko alam. Tulog na. Sorry. Tulog na ulit, tulog. Kala ko hindi ka pa natutulog. Wait. Screenshot mo ah. Uy! Zombie! Zombie! Nagulat ako, may zombie. Okay na ba? Yan. Yan. Gawa ka ng... Kunin mo yung crafting table dyan. May crafting table ko sa ano mo ah. Sa ano mo may crafting table ka? Uy, may crafting table ka dyan, di ba? Ito na yung crafting table. Yan. Gagawa lang ako ng pickaxe para makapag-ano na tayo. I-expand ko na yung ang ating base. I-expand ko na. Wag ka gumawa ng trapdoors. Hindi pa to na... Ay! Sa'yo to naka-agro ah. Yun. Meron kayang skeletons? Okay guys, I'm gonna skip the video. So Nathaniel got disconnected. So yeah. Nathaniel got disconnected. So yeah. He will join. When he will join. There we go. I need that bones from you boys. Oh my god! It's higher than I thought it would be. Oh, watermark. I need a dirt. Building everything. I need a pickaxe. I see that this. I made some upgrades before Nathaniel got up. Yeah, so yeah, guys, don't worry. I'm not cheating with Nathaniel in this world. We just play normally, man, in a super flat world. But we have trees. That's cheating, right? No, that's not cheating because that is an implement of the starter chest. You say, oh my god, you guys are cheating. We're not really cheating. We're not literally cheating right now. We have trees. Trees. Oh my god. We have charcoal. So Nathaniel will be happy because we have charcoal. Because we have charcoal, I can get a lot. Now we can have a lot of things. I can trade with villagers now. With villagers, but we're not in 3 years. There you go. Using our things. There you go. Green beds. There you go, guys. I'm gonna mine now. I will have a lot of food. Nathaniel will be surprised, but Nathaniel and I are just good friends. We are so good friends that we made this world so we can make episodes from our bridge. And this process is possible. Yeah, guys, favorite of favoritism. My okay, guys, I'm gonna end my video right now. So I hope you will watch this. Goodbye.